Very good evening, my dear students.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Students, we are dealing with chapter number 6, triangles from the mathematics textbook. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But in the last class, we have studied a theorem which is related to the areas of two similar triangles. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What we have learned in that theorem? It states that the areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
In
sir.
simple, if I take a triangle ABC, which is similar to the triangle DEF. I repeat, I have taken the two triangles. One is ABC, the other one is DEF. If both are similar, if ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then then area of ABC divided by area of DEF will be equal to AB square by DE square equal to BC square by EF square equal to AC square by DF the square. Am I correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the content, concept which we have studied in the last class. That is, areas of two similar triangles are proportional to the squares of their corresponding sides. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, with this background, on the basis of this particular concept, which we learned yesterday, today I'm going to start with the exercise 6.4. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let us start the exercise without delaying with the first main question. Who will read?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Akshata,
sir.
read
Yes,
beta
sir.
first main.
Exercise 6.4. Let triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC.
Okay. Students, look at the first question. What they are talking about. They gave two triangles. One is ABC, the other one is DEF. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
They
Yes, sir.
said both the triangles are similar. This is the first data available. The two triangles are similar, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
they are
sir.
talking about two sides beta, which are corresponding. One is EF from one triangle, one more is BC from one more triangle. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
EF value they have given, they are asking the BC value. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For this beta, they have given one more data, that is the areas. What is the area beta of the two triangles? How much they have given?
64
64
centimeters
centimeter
square.
64
square,
centimeters
1
square
centimeter
and
square, and
121.
121 centimeter square.
Okay, beta. Let us see how to solve it. First, I'll write the given data. What they have given? They said triangle ABC is a similar to the triangle DEF. This is the first part. Then they said area of ABC is 64. Whether they have mentioned the unit beta centimeter square, just check out.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Meter square. Then area of DEF. How much they have given beta?
121 centimeters
121
square.
centimeters square, sir.
Yeah. This is the area of the two triangles which they gave. Apart from this, they said EF is equal to how much beta?
15.4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. What they are asking?
BC, sir.
BC, sir.
Now, how it can be done? Beta, there is no need of drawing the rough diagram for this particular question. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But
Yes,
for
sir.
your, let me draw a small rough diagram. Let me consider one triangle which is ABC. Then I'll consider one more triangle which is DEF. Better you can see I have taken small first and a large next. Can you tell me what is the reason? Smaller first and then the larger. What is the reason? Quick.
Because the area
is the 60,
ABC
60%.
area is more. The DEF area is more too. Since 121 is more, it should be bigger. 64 is less, they should be smaller. Is that clear, beta?
yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
Why the diagram is needed? Actually, there is no need of drawing the diagram. If you draw the diagram, you will understand the corresponding sides. AB with DE, BC with EF, AC with DF. Here, beta, they mentioned this one, 15.4 centimeter, and they are asking this one. There is no need of thinking about these two and these two. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, all right. Now, because since the triangles are similar, I can write area of ABC divided by area of DEF equals to. We have three options: AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is no need of taking all the three ratios. One we have to take which they are talking about. Look at the concept. They have given EF, they have asked BC, so I'll take this particular ratio. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
BC square divided by EF the square. Is that clear? But any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Now substitute the value. Tell me the value of area ABC
64 centimeters.
divided by 121 is equal to 15.4. Sorry, BC they are asking. We will write BC
Yes.
as it is. This one. Otherwise, we'll do one more work better. BC by EF, the whole square. Laws of exponent I'm using beta. The square is repeating twice. Here also, here also. So BC by EF, the bracket square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the small arrangement beta. Here, observe 64 and 121. What will be the observation beta? What kind of numbers these are?
Square
Squares are
number,
there.
sir.
These are
Square.
perfect squares. Am I right beta?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sure.
Yes.
Since these are perfect square, I can do one work. What is that? I can write this 64 as 8 square
By
By
and
11.
this 11 square.
11.
Am I right? And
Yes,
this one,
sir.
Yes, sir.
BC as in the place of I'll write 15.4 the whole square. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Remember, this is possible in only in this question. Since these are perfect square, if these are not perfect square, I could have not done this particular work. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, next work beta. It can be written as 8 by 11 the whole square, applying the laws of exponent, is equal to BC by 15.4 the whole square. Now, beta, this implies, look at the concept. This concept is very important. Powers are same on the left side as well as right side. So, we will assume, according to the laws of exponent, that the bases are also same. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Since the powers are 2 and 2 here, these two will be equal. This implies 8 by 11 is equal to BC by 15.4. Nothing but beta. We are taking the square roots on this side also, this side also. So we got this answer. Beta, copy till here. I'll continue. Do it fast. Quick.
Written,
Done?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me continue. Beta, can you tell me what will be the next step? How we can get the final answer?
Cross
We should
multiplication.
transport 15.4.
So division becomes multiplication. What you are going to get? 15.4 into 8 by 11 is equal to BC. Beta, solve this one and tell me the answer. Quick. You can written as 154 by 10 into 8 by 11 is equal to BC. This beta.
One.
2 4 are 2 5 are. Then this 11 ones are 11 ones are 11, 4 is remaining, it becomes 44 4s are. Correct beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
14 into 4. 14 into 4, how much? Is it 56 beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divided by 5 is BC. So tell me beta, what is the final answer?
BC is equal to
11.2
11.2 sir.
11.2 centimeter. 5 ones
Centimeter.
are 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 1 is remaining, so it becomes 0.2. So final answer BC is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So this answer is 11.2. Copy beta, quick. Is there any confusion in the answer beta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There are 4 terms involved in the expression. 2 left side, 2 right side. Out of 4, they have given 3. You are supposed to find 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Spurti Patil, read the second main question. Quick.
Second one, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to 2, if AB is equal to 2, CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangles AOB and COD.
Okay. Beta, whether they have given the rough diagram?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Here, compulsorily you have to draw the diagram. Then only you will understand the concept, otherwise it cannot be solved. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us proceed
Yes.
with the rough diagram. But basically, what they are talking about, what is the object?
Trapezium.
One trapezium. So let me draw the trapezium. Beta, you people should know what is trapezium.
Opposite sides. Opposite side. One set of opposites are equal. Parallel, sir.
Okay, beta. Trapezium is basically a quadrilateral. The condition is only one set of the opposite sides are parallel. The other set of opposite sides are non-parallel. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the question they said
sir.
the letters. What are the letters used, beta?
ABCD, sir.
ABCD, sir.
This is a trapezium. They did not stop here. They went for the diagonal. How many diagonals are possible, beta?
2, sir.
2, sir.
2 sir.
Which one goes to?
AD,
One is
AC and
AC, the other one is BD. Am I right, beta?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
They are intersecting at, they have given the point also, point of intersection. What is that?
O,
O,
Oh,
sir.
sir.
This is. They said one more thing in the question. What is that, beta? Very important thing. What is that?
AB is
Check.
equal to 2.
AB is equal to 2
equal
CD.
to 2 CD.
Double of CD. CD they mentioned or DC? Both are same only. What is the word?
Sir.
CD.
CD only, sir.
Okay, beta, no problem. AB is 2 into CD. It means this length is double of this length. Beta, this plays very important role in finding the answer. How you will understand when I will start solving the answer. Is that clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the question all about? One trapezium ABCD. The condition AB is parallel to DC. Also, AB is a double of CD. Then the diagonals BD and AC are intersecting at point O. What we are supposed to find? Check. What is the question?
Find the ratio of the
Ratio
areas
of the areas of triangles, sir.
Triangle AOB and COD.
AOB and COD.
Area of AOB is to area of COD is equal to what? We need to find the ratio of these two triangles. Areas. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We will proceed with triangle this AOB and triangle this COD. Look at the concept. AOB is available here, the bigger one. COD is available here. We have to take both the triangles. First work, we have to prove that they are similar. What the concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question comes, sir, why we require similarity? But the theorem which we have studied yesterday, it is related to the areas of two similar triangles. When we are talking about the areas of the triangles, those should be similar first. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let us start doing the work. In a triangle AOB and a triangle COD. Can you tell me how we can say these are similar? Quick.
Sir, angle DOC is equal to angle AOB, sir.
Yeah, but why? These two are
Vertically
equal.
opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles.
Yes, but equal to this. The reason vertically opposite angle. One we got. Okay. One more I can write. OAB equal to OCD. Am I correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the reason?
Alternate interior angles.
Yeah,
Interior angles.
alternate interior angles. Just I'll write it in the short. Alternate angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
No, beta. You can say one more set also. This angle and this angle. That is OBA is equal to ODC. Again, these are also alternate angles. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
But as we discussed, beta, AAA criterion. If we say only two set of angles are equal, third set will be automatically equal. So there is no need of showing one more set. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This implies triangle AOB similar to the triangle COD. But again, you have to be careful. Angle O with O means O center. A with C means if A is beginning, C should be beginning. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is wrong. No, beta, once these are similar, I can talk about their areas, proportionality. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, area of ABC divided by area, sorry, not ABC, beta. What is the triangle?
AOB by COD.
COD. That we have to write is equal to. Beta, three ratios are possible here. How many ratios?
Three, sir.
3 ratios.
The set of similar triangles, three ratios will be possible for this particular concept. What are those? First, focus on this. Opposite to this, AB square by CD square. That is one possibility. Then, this angle opposite is BO square. This angle opposite is C square. That is the second possibility. And coming to the third possibility, AO square by CO square. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Let me write all the three possibilities first. Opposite to this, AB square divided by this equal to this, its opposite is CD square. One side. Then angle opposite side is OB, the square. This angle is equal to this angle, its opposite side is OD square. Equal to this angle opposite is the OA square. This angle is equal to this angle, its opposite is OC square. If you remember, dushman ka dushman dost, that is what we are doing here. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So we got all the three ratios, beta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Out of three, two are useless. Only one is useful. Which is useful, beta, and which are useless? Quick.
Sir,
AB square by CD square is useful, sir.
Why?
AB by
Why?
Sir, because CD is given in form of AB, sir.
Yeah, beta. They have given a relation between AB and CD. They said the AB is a double of CD. They have not given any relation over here. So don't consider second and third. Leave it. Consider only the first. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Now AB square by CD square can be written as AB divided by CD, the whole square. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Beta, copy till here. Quick. Do it fast. Over.
Yes, sir.
What have you done? Taken the two triangles, proved the similarity, applied the particular concept which we have studied yesterday. Am I right? Out of three ratios, I am taking the first one. The reason they have given the relation between AB and CD. Applied the laws of exponents, AB by CD the whole square I have written. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very important step. Therefore, area of ABC divided by area
Sir,
of
area of
sector.
AOB.
It is AOB and it is COD. Beta, habitual. We are habituate to ABC, DEF, PQR. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. Whatever the letters they have given, that we have to make use. Equal to. Okay. AB. Beta, in the place of AB, what I can write?
2 CD whole square.
2 CD.
The reason, beta, they have given is equal to 2 CD given. Reason, AB is double of CD given. They said it in the question. Correct, beta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
CD getting cancelled. So you'll get 2 by 1 the whole square. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you open the bracket, what will be the answer?
4 by 1, sir.
4 by 1.
Sir.
So let me write area of AOB by area of COD is equal to 4 by 1. This implies the ratio area of AOB is to area of COD is equal to 4 is to 1. What the concept, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is your
Yes,
formula. Copy fast, quick. Beta done?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Let us go to the third question. Third question. Who will read? Charita, audible? Okay, beta. Read
Yes,
third
sir.
main. Yeah, read.
Third one. In figure 6.44, fourth, in figure 6.44, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersects BC at O, show that area of ABC by area of DBC is equal to OA by DO.
Okay, beta. Look at the question there. They are talking about two triangles. Which are the two triangles, beta?
ABC and DBC, sir.
ABC and DBC. They are standing on the common base. What is the common base given?
BD, sir.
BC, sir.
BC. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
BC, sir.
So look at the rough diagram. What they have given. We will observe in the different manner, beta. We will observe they have given a trapezium. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the dangerous view. What is this, beta?
Dangerous.
Dangerously.
Can you tell me why? Beta, what is the reason? Why it will be dangerous view? Don't look at this one as a trapezium. Why?
Because if you look at like that, sir, we'll get all wrong
No,
answers.
no, no. Yeah, beta. We will start thinking about parallelity and then we will start thinking about alternate angles. Understanding?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes, sir.
particular view will take you out of box. You will deviate yourself from the required target. Got the concept?
Yeah, sure.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So don't view this one as a trapezium at all. It is not at all a trapezium. It looks like that. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sure.
Yes, sir.
Let me draw the diagram properly, beta. Okay? Just one.
Okay, sure.
Beta, first I'll concentrate on ABC. I'll draw only the triangle ABC. Look at that. I think letter A is here, B is here, and letter C is here. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
So this is a triangle ABC with a base BC. Now with the same base BC, they are talking about one more triangle. What is that, beta?
DBC, sir.
DBC.
DBC, sir.
BC is already there. Just I want D. So I'll take this line here and then this. D. Again, you may tell, sir, what you have done. Again, you have drawn a trapezium. But I said it is looking like a trapezium. Clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sure.
Okay, let us discuss what will be the triangle. This is what the given question. There are two triangles. One is ABC upward, one is DBC downward. They are having the same base, common base BC. In this, what we are supposed to find, beta, what we have to prove?
Area of
Area
ABC by area of DBC is equal to AO by DO.
Area ABC by area DBC is equal to, beta, A
AO by DO, sir.
AO by DO. Beta, in the rough diagram, we have given something else. AO by DO, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Before no, sir.
It means they have taken one more diagonal. What is that diagonal, beta?
AD, sir.
AD, sir.
AD.
It is not one more diagonal. If you tell again diagonal, it is nothing but we are considering the trapezium. What they have done? They have joined A to D. Then they say the area of this by area of this should be the intersection point is O, AO by OB. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now look at the question carefully, beta. There is no square involved. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it gives you the indirect message. These are not similar. Understanding? If these are similar, beta, square should be there compulsory. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, ABC is somewhat different. AO is a part of ABC. Am I right? Let us see how it can be done.
Yes, sir.
You can see doubt in the question, beta. What they have given. Understood the question properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Our work, area of this divided by area of this is equal to AO divided by DO. There is no square involved in the question. Okay, beta?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
how it can be done? First, since there is no data available for telling the similarity of these two, beta, if you take this triangle and this triangle, ABC up and ABC down, we cannot say the equality of the angles. There is no data to tell that this angle is equal to this angle. There is no data available to tell that complete angle is equal to complete angle. And there is no data to tell this angle is equal to this angle. So we cannot prove the similarity of ABC and DBC. And one more thing, they are not similar also. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
in such
Yes, sir.
cases, how we can proceed? Here we require the construction. What we require, beta?
Construction.
Construction.
Construction. What is the construction? Look at the construction. From the vertex A, beta, drop one perpendicular line. From A, drop a perpendicular line to the base BC, call it as AM. Okay.
Yes.
But in the same manner, concentrate on the vertex D, drop a perpendicular to the same base BC, that is the common base. Is that clear, beta? Call it as DN. This construction is must. AM perpendicular BC, DN perpendicular BC. Is that clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Let us write. Already the rough diagram is given, no need of explaining them. We will write. Let us draw AM perpendicular BC and DN perpendicular BC. That means the perpendicular line from the vertex A and from the vertex D to the common base BC. Any doubts, beta?
No, sir.
Now look at the concept.
No,
We are
sir.
going to get two right angle triangles, beta. What are those? AMO and BNO. This triangle and this triangle. We have to consider both. Let us prove that they are similar. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Question comes, sir, what we will get if we prove the similarity? We will see it later. First, let us prove the similarity. Okay, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In triangle AMO and DNO, this triangle and this triangle. First, I'll write angle AMO is equal to DNO. Am I right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Both are equal to 90 degree. What is the reason?
Construction, sir.
Yeah. One. There is one more set of angles equal. What is that, beta? Ah,
M.
OM and D.
AOM is equal to
N.
DOM.
DON. Don. Why these two are equal, beta?
Vertically opposite. Vertically opposite angles.
angles.
When two sets are equal, the third set will be automatically equal. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, we prove that triangle AMO similar to the triangle DNO according to AA rule. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Beta, copy till here. Quick. I'll proceed further. Do it fast.
Yes.
Written, sir.
Okay, beta.
Done,
When the
sir.
two triangles are similar, we can apply the definition. The corresponding sides are proportional. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll write AM divided by DN. AM divided by DN. This is one set of corresponding sides because opposite AM, this equal to this, its opposite is DN. Then look at the 90 degree. 90 degree opposite side is AO
AO and
and here
OB.
opposite is BO. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Even you can write one more ratio, OM and ON. That is not required, beta. So out of three, I will take two directly, which are required. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Equation number one. So I got a result AM by DN perpendicular by perpendicular is equal to AO by DO. This part by this part, which is required in the result. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So copy till here. Quick, finish it off. Done.
Done, sir. Yes.
Now we will go to the given question. We want the ratio of area of ABC, the upper triangle, divided by area of triangle DBC, the lower triangle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here, so beta, I cannot use the similarity. I cannot go for AB square by CD square, whatever. The reason these are not similar. But I can go for the general formula. What is the general formula of finding the area beta of triangle?
Half into base
Half
into
into
height.
height, sir.
Half into base into height. I can use this particular formula. So let us do it. ABC. Can you tell me beta what is the base for ABC?
BC, sir.
BC. What is the height beta?
AM, sir.
Now can you tell me what will be the denominator? Quick.
Half into
Half
BC.
into BC into DN.
TN.
Then also the base is same BC, but the perpendicular height is different, that is DL. Now let us cancel the same term. BC with BC, half, half. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So what we will get? Quick.
A by
AM by
AM
DN,
by
sir.
DN.
AM by DN.
But area
A equal
is
to
equal
AM by DN.
to area divided by DL. Correct, beta?
Yes,
Now
sir.
go for the equation 1. What is the equation 1, beta? Look.
AM by DN is equal to
AM by
AO
DN
by
is equal to AO.
We prove that this ratio is same as the ratio of AO to DO. So, in the place of this, I write AO by DO using equation number 1. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir.
And this is what the final result which we have to get.
So area of triangle.
Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta. Copy fast, quick. Do it fast. And beta, make a star mark for this question. Very important. Done?
Sir.
Okay, beta. Just
Done,
I'll
sir.
repeat the what we have done. We went for the construction AM and DN, the two perpendiculars from the vertex A and D to the same base BC. Then we got the two right angle triangles. One is AMO and DNO. We proved they are similar using the AA rule, vertically opposite angles and 90 angles according to the construction. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
Once these are similar, I can arrive at the result perpendicular by perpendicular, that is AM by DN is equal to AO by OD, which we require at the end of the result. Correct, beta?
Yes, sir.
So we call it as equation number 1. Then, as per the question given, I started my work. Area of ABC by area of DBC. These are not similar, so I went for the general formula. Half into base into height. Half base is BC, the height is AM. This is the numerator. Half base is BC, the height is DN. This is the denominator. The first two, these four terms getting cancelled. It remains AM by DN. But this is already proved that AO by DO according to the equation 1. Hence, I arrived at the final answer. Is there any doubt beta in this one?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No,
Okay, beta,
sir.
with this, I'm going to end today's session. In the next class, beta, I will solve few more questions from the same exercise. Is that clear?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, beta. Bye. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta.
Bye, sir. Bye.